If you want to see how my husband made this delicious meal, keep on watching. Hey family, today we are making ackee and saltfish. This is a national dish in Jamaica, and these are the ingredients. First, you're going to need some saltfish. You can buy it in the pack that comes without bones, or you can buy it that has the bones. And next, you're going to need some ackee, and it's already boiled, so you don't have to cook anything with the ackee. Also plantains, an onion, a tomato, a green pepper, a piece of yam, banana, seasoned salt, and black pepper. All right, honey, so what you doing now?
Making our national dish, ackee and saltfish, dumpling and banana.
Your cutie?
Yam. What else do you have in that pot?
Some potato.
Potato, fry plantain on the side.
Yeah, man.
Now it is ready. So right now I'm just cutting up the onions, them, you know?
And the saltfish is in the pot, bubbling.
Gotta make sure.
So you're just cutting up some onions.
Cut up some onions, you know how it is already.
Okay, so my husband's gonna cut up the onions, the tomato, and the green pepper. Okay guys, so what my husband did was, this is saltfish, so it's very salty, even on the outside. So what he does is he rinses it off first before he puts it in the water. So you want your pot, you know, to come to a boil, and then you put it in, and you do want to boil this. Some people boil it twice. It depends on how salty it is, but I boil it twice, and so does my husband, just to get some of that salt off, because it is very salty, okay?
Got to use this right here. Without this right here, this is the thing.
So my husband is putting some coconut oil in the pot, and then he's gonna add the ingredients, the cut up vegetable and seasoning, and then he's gonna make it get nice and soft and tender, okay, before he adds the saltfish. You want to make sure that your vegetable them is nice and soft and tender, okay? And this is the pot that has the dumpling and banana in there. I didn't put the potato or the white yam because those things, they cook very fast, so you don't want them to be all too softy where it's falling apart. So I put those in at the end. And these are the ingredients that he cut up, and he did add a scotch bonnet pepper to it as well, just to let you know. And you guys know we like onions and green peppers. You know we love seasoning, so. Oh, thyme. You add some thyme to it too, okay. What the, honey?
Come on, surprise, come on. Yeah. Surprise you.
As soon as he drops the seasoning and the vegetable inside the pot, you can just instantly smell it. So good. So now my husband is adding in the saltfish to all of the seasonings, and even though it looks kind of big right now, he's gonna break it up with a spatula as he goes, okay, or whatever that tool is. He's gonna break it up as he goes.
Saltfish is nice, man.
See, just break it up. Now you don't want it too small,
Exactly.
And then you don't want it too big, because you want it to be able to share between everybody, and everybody gets, you know, saltfish. But when it's too small, you don't want that either. So just break it up. So now you go ahead and you add the ackee to all of the ingredients that you have in the pot. And then you don't want to be mixing up this too much because the ackee is already boiled. So it's like lightly mixing it, okay? And then this is when you add your seasonings. So what my husband's gonna add is black pepper.
Gotta put some black pepper in there.
You have to put black pepper in there. And then he's going to add some seasoned salt. And you don't have to add too much seasoned salt because remember, the saltfish is already salty already.
Yeah, exactly.
But you do want to give it flavor to the ackee and stuff, okay? And then you just mix it up, but lightly. You see how gentle my husband is being with it? Because you don't want a mush up,
yeah,
you know, ackee. Yeah, you still want to try to keep it as whole as possible, okay? And this is how we make ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish.
Great job, First Lady. Great job.
Now you just want to let this simmer down for about 10-15 minutes because remember, everything is already cooked. Now you're just heating up the ackee, okay? All right, guys, we will see you on the mukbang.